All Manipur United Club Organization, Amuco, today observed the 77th Manipur Independence Day during a program which was held at its office in Kwakathil. Manipur flag imprinted with Pakhangba was unfurled as a part of the observance, which was attended by leaders of various civil society organizations and Maira Paibi members. Speaking on the occasion, President of Amuco, Phairoijam Nando Luang, Manipur became a free nation on August 14, 1947. He said, "It was a historic moment which we need to cherish as Manipuris." Nando further maintained that celebration of Manipur Independence Day cannot be perceived as anti-national or anti-India, as it is a celebration of its freedom from the rule of British before it became part of India. He urged Manipur government to acknowledge the celebration of Manipur Independence Day on August 14 as a state-level function.
Manipur ki miyam na Bharat ki saruk ama hek wai khibidagi Manipur ki miyam si kari inung ki Bharat ki saruk ama wai jaru bano kari ki Bharat tin jaru bano makoi ki pulu badi koi awaz ai tang lange koi ak ka wakal pata bang khangdre Manipur ki apun ba sakam si kai khadra Manipur de khunda mi ne ba kanglu phudi makse masi koi ki khaibung talaga ja khaibu ki mi pai bam leidana Manipur ki miyam je adum thengkang ke ada aduki mati khongjang jangin dana iyo ho na lakhi bane Masina, Govt of India Manipur ki miyam se koi mikup ama bong patahan bidri ba ngasi maksu haukiba sahi lisingani kolumdoi gi megi ahumdagi kuki jo militant sing Manipur thugai na bhona padagi Manipur ki miyam si wakal se otha bhai badu witri karigumba Manipur maning tambale ba amor ma ba maning tambale ba kamada kuki jo terrorist sing sina chawda di masi numit humni sangwa Manipur masi ki temjan ba madu ba Manipur thugai na bhona ba kuki jo militant sing se namda ba numit humni sangwa